Hello friends! Sorry the last few weeks have been a little light on content. I was gone at various events for 2 weeks solid and then I was sick for a week, but the weather today is crappy. I'm feeling a little better, so it seemed like a good day for a garage video. It may shock some of you to hear that I have a KLX230 and I've actually had this bike for a few months. Bought it for my daughter. Hey Lil Dork! Welcome back to the channel. What day is it?
New bike day.
Where are we going?
Eugene.
Why?
For new bike day.
For who?
For me.
For you? You're gonna ride motorcycles?
Yep.
Are you gonna get your endorsement?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be doing shenanigans?
Hopefully.
Tell the people where you've been.
Oh, I can do this.
They keep asking me.
Oh, I've been around. I've been busy. Doing high school things.
Yep, that's it. Okay.
I don't know what do you want me to say?
I mean, it's been like 3 years. I've been busy doing high school things.
That is what I've been doing. I'm gonna get my endorsement next month.
Yeah.
So I can maybe go on fun trips and like the camp out and stuff.
Yeah, that'd be cool. You can hang out with a bunch of middle-aged men, drinking too much and smoking.
Where I really want to be. It's so exciting.
It's every teenage girl's dream.
Yeah, for real.
Just hang out with her dad's friends. So, what are we buying?
A motorcycle. I don't know what's it called.
What color is it?
Green.
It's green, which means it is a...
Kawasaki.
It's a Kawasaki. That's correct. New bike day. Thanks for coming along.
On Sandridge Road.
New bike day.
New bike day. Dun, dun, dun. Look, there it is. What'd you get?
Motorcycle.
You still don't know what it is?
Nope. Never knew.
Well, if only it said right on it. KLX230. I wonder what it is. Are you stoked?
Yeah,
Are you excited?
Excited, yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, well, let's go have dinner. She did the Team Oregon class, so she has everything she needs to get her endorsement, and we're hoping to go moto camping together once school is out. And I just haven't really mentioned it or used it yet because I wanted her to kind of do the video I'm doing today. I thought that would be a neater video, but she's just not going to have time, and I think I'd rather spend my time getting it ready so that when she has time, we can just ride. So we're going to do some mods on it today. This is the build video. It's already got aftermarket handlebars, so today we're going to do some DoubleTake mirrors. We're going to do Tusk skid plates. Cyclops sent us a headlight and the turn signal / rear brake light module, which I don't think I'm going to do today because that's a little complicated, but the headlight for sure. I've got DoubleTake mirrors. I've got a foam air filter, so just kind of an all-around refresh on this. I also already did tires. So this has the Tusk D Sports front and rear. Those are my go-tos. I like them on basically every dual sport bike. So I'll link everything we're using in the description if you want to check it out. Let's start with the DoubleTake mirrors, my first favorite mod. And you probably saw my video about the new DoubleTakes, which are awesome, but I actually have a set of the old ones still too, and they're really good, so I'm going to put those on. We're going to use them on this bike. So step 1, get the old mirrors off. Step 2, put the new mirrors on. Pretty complicated. Stock mirrors on this bike are shockingly terrible. Yes, all stock mirrors are terrible, kind of in my book, but all I can see is my damn elbows. It's not super helpful, so I'm gonna stop looking at my elbows and start looking at cars behind me, or the kid. I would like the kid to be able to see when she starts riding. She's gonna be an even worse rider than me at first. Ta-da! How fun, spinny spin times. Nice thing about this setup is that it's modular and you can buy just the parts you need. The dumb part about this setup is that it's modular and you have to buy a bunch of parts. So everything comes separate. Sometimes you need a reverse thread adapter on this side, but not today, baby. Not today. Can't forget the free koozie. Whoop. Encourages you to drink while you install these. Unless you don't drink, and then don't. Just want to get a shot of the stock headlight brightness so that when I put the new one on, hopefully we can see a difference. But that is bright, that is low beam. Supposedly this new headlight is at least 3 times brighter, which wouldn't surprise me because this thing is dim as crap. That was not that difficult. Okay, let's see if that streak continues. There we go. Just like that, boys. Unplugged. So I don't think I need this. I might need that. see. I might be able to. Oop, oop. Okay, that's weird. I haven't done that before. There you go. Okay. A little bit more. So let's just hook this up. Put this back around the way it's supposed to be. It was not awful hard. Not so good with the electricals, so I'm glad that it was relatively straightforward. Nice and clean. And then we just have to stash the extra bit of wiring up here, and it's good to go. Should be good to go. I probably should put it in place, and then let's try the headlight before we put this back together. Oh, it's bright as hell. It's bright as hell. That is significantly brighter. Yeah, that's a lot brighter. That'll be very visible. I don't know how well it shows up on here, but damn, it is much brighter in the garage. Thanks, Daryl. Gonna button the front of this up now. Hopefully we're good to go. Okay, air filter. Should be under this right quarter panel, theoretically, based on the YouTube video I just watched. Nice foam filter in this one. Reusable. But I've got a Tusk one I want to replace it with. Because I like those. And they work well. Oh, you just pull it back. Dusty in here, bro. Ooh, okay, don't lose that. That is a fresh gasket. Oh my god, it's so buttery soft. This just comes out. Yep. Looks like it's doing its job. Dirty though, damn. Actually pretty nice shape. That stock one, but I'm gonna do the Tusk one because it's 2 density, a little bit more upgraded, I feel like. How's the box? Pretty clean. Gotta oil up the new filter. Nice thing is it can only go on one way. It's asymmetrical. Yeah, she's on there. There you go. Done. That is a lot of oil on this filter. That was pretty easy. Okay, now skid plate. This thing comes with a plastic skid plate, which is better than nothing, but not by much. It's not very thick, as you can see. Well, I don't think my daughter's gonna be thrashing the hell out of this thing. I'm also gonna be riding it, which with this suspension and my weight means very limited ground clearance, so skid plate. Skid plate? Skid plate, pretty important. Fortunately, it's just 3 bolts. So we're gonna take the 3 factory bolts out and put in the 3 bolts they gave us. Skid plate, schmid plate. It's even got a drain plug hole, so hopefully it's not one we have to take off a bunch of times. A few rocks in there. Anyway, that's your stock protection. Enough to slide over something, for sure, but like a sharp rock or something, going right through that. Right through that into your engine case. Now I usually put some skid plate foam in these, because you'll sometimes get a harmonic resonance and it can cut down on that and also just keep crap from getting under there, but this thing is so small, I'm not gonna worry about it. If it's noisy, I'll take this off. It's only 3 bolts. And put those back on. I love Tusk stuff, except I hate their hardware. It is usually pretty flimsy, so you gotta be careful not to strip out the bolts. The heads, the Allen keys, they just melt, basically. There you go. Don't force it. It should go in smooth. If it doesn't, You're cross-threaded on this aluminum stuff. Stop it. Do not force it. Compelling content, I know, but some people have never done this before, so I want you to see that even a moron like me can do it. These are basic mods anyone can do. Skid plates. The headlight is mildly complicated, but not super difficult. You should already know how to change and clean your air filter, so you need to do that one regardless, because don't pay the dealership for that. Mirror's easy. There are a few more complicated things on this bike. I don't know if we're going to get into today. Like, I got to wire up that Skane P3 on the rear, but I got to like pull the rear fender off and find the turn signal wires and stuff, and I just don't love electricals, so that is probably a whole project by itself, so I'm not going to mess with it today. But it'll be nice to have if this thing is on the highway much. Wow, it looks good on there. It's clean. And these aluminum skid plates can take a beating. I've definitely done inappropriate things. Not that way. Just like things they're not even designed for because I'm just so heavy and I beat on these bikes a lot sometimes. That looks clean, bro. And I can actually get to the drain plug. I think I can change the oil without taking this off. Man, I hope so. That would be sweet. A lot of skid plates are like, we have a drain plug hole, but it doesn't work. It just sprays all oil down into the skid plate and it's pointless. Okay. That's on there. That's on there. Well, I take it back. You see this? See this right here? It's covering the bolt for the oil filter. Maybe, nope, because I won't be able to back it out. I was going to say maybe I could get a wrench in there and get it out, but there's not enough room to then pull that bolt out. Damn it, Tusk. You couldn't have had a little cutout right there. So it is going to have to come off when I change the oil. Suck. So obviously this is going to be a simple build, and there are a couple things left to do. But this is ready to go. So next video we see on this bike will be a first ride video. So look out for that. Subscribe if you're interested in some 230S content. I feel like this bike is supremely underrated. And everyone thinks it sucks and it's underpowered and blah, blah, blah. So me, a giant person, I'm going to take it out and rip on it, and you can see just how underpowered it really is. I had a blast filming that video with Mototrek on this, which if you haven't seen, you should check out. I'll link it for you. But that's the only time I've been out on it. So I plan on doing a full, true dual sport ride. I'll leave from home, ride some highway out there, hit some OHV trails. It'll be a great little video. I'm just waiting for the rain to stop now that I'm starting to feel a little better. So let me know how you feel about the KLX. Obviously, you're going to get some videos of Lil Dork riding this and hopefully camping with me real soon. But I also bought it to review and ride myself, so we're going to do some of that. I'm going to get back to regular content schedule. I'm home for a few weeks now, so I'm going to get some stuff stacked up. Good stuff coming out, including that 5 days riding dirt bikes in Canada series. That's going to be cool. And then before you know it, we'll be on the BDR and have a bunch of cool stuff. So sorry to everyone I missed at the Giant Loop ride. I really missed being there, but feeling better, ready to go. We're going to get out on this thing next. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Excellent!